for members of this lingerie net lingerie. No, no live. No, no, no. You're so lucky if I do a live. If I do a live, just only for members live. Why I can make it? And the pink color is here. Look at this underwear. You know the design of this? It's very cool. I love it. This have a ribbon here. And over this one, look at this. Charan. It's very small. This and then the back. Show live bikini. As you wish. If I'm doing a live like this, I'll give only for my members. And also to my Patreon, I use this for Ligo challenge, shower challenge. Shower challenge, guys. I'm using this for shower challenge. So if you want to join me on my Patreon, you can join. You can join, guys. Baby, you like this, baby. You gonna love to see if I wearing this. Ang ganda kayo, oh. It's so beautiful, guys. I wear and then I see in the mirror. It's so cool. It's so cool. If I wear nothing this one. Charam. And also black color. I have. This black color is amazing. It's really amazing. Look. My skin. You will see the truly of color if you wear this, guys. I'm making my Patreon transparent video. This one is I use for this, and then I open for transparent. No need to cut the video. Continue the video. So if you want to join me my Patreon, you want to see this, guys. And also the bra. It's really cute. It's really cute, baby. Diba ang cute, Aisa? Alam ko na, Aisa, sino yung sinabi mo. Ni Kwa Magayam, ni Lorena. Says, ni Lorena Magayam, naikat video na. Wednesday sa kapkapiak, atin ni try on ko na Supay transparent. Oh, di ba? Amumlatan transparent. Transparent, di ba? Napapanood mo yan, transparent. Di na sila nagkakat ng video, direct-diretso na. Pati nila nakikita. Okay, di ba? Kiday. Ni Lorena mga maajay, bagbagam. Nakita ka tayo bigat, no? At nakariingak alas 6, ay alas 3. Iso na maggaya pero nga dyan bubraan na ya. Kaya mo tultulado na disease, na warningan adyo yun. Ore basit ti tao ta, okay lang. Pamo tultulado na adyo sis. Okay na ko. Kaya't makita amin or not. Ormot. O yawan ormot ko, sis. Dakil taom sis. Awan si 16 lang. Awan tao to. Awan tao. 16 na lang. Di kalman pa, awan tao. Di ka mo niya problema ni Lolo. Nagdakil subscribers, awan tao.